DJ Hustle. DJ Hustle.
I bet you again. How many mics you guys need for your
One? No DJ vocal? No DJ vocal. Right now we at the Tennessee Honey neighborhood flavor. You got DJ Mustard, Young Twaun, which is me, and LMA, man. We about to do something so crazy right now. We getting ready for sound check. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter at @TheRealTwaun. That's CherealTwaun. Make sure you spell it right. And yeah, man, just expect something crazy from us, cause we working, man. Shout out to HustleTV, cause we hustle every day. She's going before Mustard.
Okay.
And then I go before her. So
you're opening up.
Exactly. Yeah. She's opening up.
She's singing with him?
Not with him. She's doing before him.
And then he's... Sorry, I didn't see
don't worry about it.
He's up here on this platform then, by himself?
Yeah, I think so. I imagine.
Yeah.
I heard it was only 2 acts. Okay.
Yeah, see, what's happening too is there's going to be one DJ that's going to be doing like the intermissions, and then there's DJ Must that's going to be like the main one. And then that Hila that just went up, so all I'm going to do is just basically just play the tracks for Twaun.
Cool, so you just need that headphone jack again right there, right?
Yeah, exactly, yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and plug in.
I just want to make sure it's muted though, I don't want to...
Yeah, let me get on my microphone. Yeah, got you. Alright.
Tell them, teach me something, where they game at? They been shooting at me where they aim at. I've been stirring water, this ain't no competition. I ain't even bragging, I just got a mission. Threw away my life, I know the clock is ticking. I put it on the line cause ain't no serious mission. Man, it's things like this that bring me 40 to life. When all they talk about is money, I know something ain't right. People good with the back, they put a fence up on you. Man, I know when some people had to switch up on you. They would tell me what I mean. So I'm gonna stop me, I've been in my zone. How you got a car but you ain't got no home? Women claim they ride or die, how to doubt it. Sleeping with a lot of men and they just lie about it. Wait, people never like you when you dare to be different. Rock don't keep the money, we just care about who listen. Never know who we was, now we square with the mission. We just trying to lead the people, we ain't drunk on position. Cause they say more money, more pride. Say it, more money, more pride. Say it, more money, more pride. Real talk, they never taught us how to style. Who said money?
That was sound check. Getting ready for the show. Thanks to this wonderful guy, making sure everything is on point. Now get ready for something crazy. Woo!
Kind of a chill road for you.
Okay.
Specifically, you don't gotta sit out in the heat all day.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
Second floor, right side.
Perfect. Awesome.
And make sure those doors are closed.
Got it. No. I'm just meeting one. Direct come right there.
DJ Hustle. DJ Hustle. DJ Hustle. DJ Hustle.